Three, two, one. Okay, I'm recording. So I'm recording my game, and this is it, guys. I hope you like the game. I really liked it because it feels like a simulation. I can probably learn skills here, social skills, because I don't really know how to talk to people, and sometimes simulation in this game kind of has ideas on how to deal with people, yeah, especially if I'm new to a place. I don't know what I'm saying. So let's play it. This is nice. So okay, yeah.
Wait a moment before you go.
Hey, it's great
Beautiful,
Uncle
beautiful
Autumn.
graphics. So this is my character. It's a witch. She's a witch. Wow, I have
What's
a lot
up,
of
old
people.
man?
Well, the truth is,
We're in big trouble!
Hey, you're still here.
That's not important right now.
This guy is cute.
I
Oh, look
don't
at
know
that.
what we
So
can do.
beautiful.
People
Thanks,
in
yeah.
weird masks installed these machines in the forest. I was thinking maybe if you could get rid of those machines.
We're kind of busy.
I implore you.
Let's help our forest, man.
Help out.
Like,
What
it just
do we do?
isn't. I don't think it's like if you go deep down in the philosophy of it. I don't think it really matters if it's
Save
real
our
or
forest.
not anymore. You just make your meaning. If it's a forest, you want to help it.
Where
You
are
think.
these machines?
I can get you close to them.
Yeah? Well then, lead the way.
Oh,
Mm.
oh.
Beautiful, beautiful graphics. Look at that, man. It's just gorge. Gorgeous world. I wish heaven was like this, and you have pets, and you're like, they're just with you.
Oh, this must be the machine they mentioned.
Something in the air feels weird.
Can you try destroying it?
Hmm.
What the? It broke! That was too easy.
Ooh, I hope we didn't just get ourselves into bigger trouble.
Oh.
Whew, that's good then.
Huh? Did you say something?
Anyway, let's go back.
My money goes jiggle jiggle. It falls. My water on the wiggle wiggle. It falls. No. I just have like doing this. So, ooh. So look at that, man. Beautiful, beautiful girl. Gorgeous, gorgeous graphics, man. I can just look at it all day. Just all this dopamine and serotonin that you need for your day. It's here. Look at that. Those people playing. How long have I been streaming? Okay, this is a good start. So, okay, let's try this. That's it for now. Enjoy. Click like and subscribe.